Have you ever felt like your money is managing you instead of the other way around? You work hard, you try budgeting apps, spreadsheets, even envelopes, but by the middle of the month you're exhausted, behind and wondering, where did all my money go? Here's the truth. The families who actually win with money aren't the ones with iron discipline. They're the ones with systems that do the heavy lifting for them. And today, I'm going to show you 3 budget habits that run on autopilot, even when you're not thinking about money. Later in this video, you'll discover the exact 10-minute setup that helped a single mom save $7,400 in less than a year, without tracking every penny or living on beans and rice. If you miss it, you might spend the next decade restarting your budget every single month, burning out again and again. So let's break down the 3 habits that make budgeting effortless. Segment 1. Why manual budgeting fails most people. Most people don't fail at budgeting because they're lazy. They fail because they're tired, distracted, overwhelmed. You start the month with good intentions. This time I'll track every dollar. By week 2, you've missed a few receipts. By week 3, you're in survival mode, grabbing takeout, paying a late fee, and feeling guilty again. Here's the truth. 𝐵𝐔𝐘𝐒 says, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And the data backs it up. A recent Bankrate survey found that 63% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even households making over $100,000 a year. Why? Because discipline doesn't scale, systems do. That's where automation comes in. What part of your money routine do you wish you could stop thinking about and still succeed? Segment 2. Habit number 1. Automatic savings on payday. The first and most powerful habit, pay yourself first, automatically. Set up an auto transfer from checking to savings the same day your paycheck arrives. Don't save what's left. Save first. Even if it's $25 a week, the automation makes it stick. Here's how you do it. Open a separate hidden savings account, not tied to your debit card. Schedule a recurring transfer for payday. Make the amount non-negotiable. This one move changes everything. Saving is no longer a decision, it's your default. Think about it. Automating $100 per paycheck equals $2,600 a year saved, without effort. How much could you save this year if you never had to decide to save again? Habit number 2. Batch your bills around payday. The second habit, bill batching. Here's the stress you're probably living with. Payday hits Friday. Car payment hits Wednesday. Utilities on the 18th, phone bill on the 12th. You're constantly playing financial ping pong. Here's how to fix it. Log into your accounts. Adjust due dates to line up with payday. Set auto payments 1 to 2 days after your paycheck. If needed, create a small buffer account to smooth it out. The result? Clarity and calm. You get paid. Bills get paid. What's left is yours to manage. How much mental energy would you free up if you never had to remember your bills again? Question of the day. What's one financial task you keep forgetting every month, but know it's costing you money or stress? Comment below. Habit number 3. Automate a weekly snapshot email. This habit is a game changer, a weekly money snapshot. Use apps like Monarch Money, Copilot, Tiller, or even a simple Google Sheet dashboard. Set up a weekly email which shows what you spent, how much you saved, budget progress, why it works. It's like weighing yourself once a week instead of every day. You see trends without stress. You don't even have to do anything with the data. Just seeing it keeps you accountable. Would seeing your money picture in one simple email each week keep you grounded? Segment 3. Carla True. Story: $7,400 saved without thinking about it. Let me tell you about Carla. She's a single mom of 3, working full-time at a dental office. She tried every budgeting method, apps, envelopes, even paper planners. Nothing stuck. Why? She didn't have the bandwidth. So she set up 3 things: $75 auto-transferred every Friday. Bills batched to 3 days after payday. A weekly Monarch snapshot email. That's it. 10 months later, Carla had saved $7,400. No late nights with spreadsheets. No guilt. Just peace. And she told me something powerful. For the first time in my life, I feel like my money is taking care of me, not the other way around. What would it feel like if your money managed itself, while you focused on living your life? Segment 4. You can do this in one day. Here's the best part. You don't need weeks. You can set up all 3 habits in one afternoon. Schedule your auto transfer, adjust bill dates, and auto pay. Set up your weekly email snapshot. That's it. This is how real families win. Not with more income, but with less stress and better systems. What would your life look like if budgeting took one day to set up and then ran itself? Now that you know automation can turn your budget into a stress-free system, you're going to need to know how to build a weekly routine that keeps it running with almost no effort. If you don't know this, you'll slip back into the cycle of burnout, restarting your budget every month without lasting results. I'll reveal the one-day budget setup for families in my next video. Don't miss it. See you in our next video.